In this video, we will show the Datalinks feature of Smart Repeated Items. This feature allows you to link non-ARIS files or data to a Smart Repeated Item. When the Smart RI is selected, the data link may be executed, opening the file in the default software for the given file type. When a Smart Repeated Item is selected in ARIS using the Entity Select feature, in addition to the Entity Select action menu, the Smart Repeated Item selection menu is displayed on the screen. This menu has information about the Smart Repeated Item, including the repeated item description and repeated item name. This menu may also be accessed directly by selecting the Smart RI button on the Repeated Items menu and then selecting the RI. In the center of the Smart Repeated Items menu is a section which shows a Datalinks list. When a Smart Repeated Item is selected in ARIS that has data links associated with it, all data links associated are shown on the list. Each data link has a user-defined description and type. When a data link is selected on the list, the file associated with the link is opened in the default software defined for that file type. For example, if an image data link is selected, the associated image file, in this case a .jpg, is opened in the designated image viewer. The selected data link file, as defined in the Smart RI data, must exist on your computer. When a data link is selected on the list with a mouse right-click, the link is not executed. However, the path to the link file is displayed on the message line of the screen. Data links are defined in the Smart RI Attributes dialog. In order to have data links, one of the 4 Smart RI attribute categories must be titled Data Links. It can be any one of the 4 categories. Within the Data Links attribute, a data link is defined on one line of the attribute. The line contains 3 pieces of information, which are listed in 3 fields, each separated by a semicolon. The first field is the data link type. There are currently 10 types of data links. These are Web, PDF, Text, ARIS, Image, Word, Excel, Video, Audio, and SKP. The data link type is entered in all uppercase. The second field is the user-defined description of the data link. This should be a relatively short one-line description. It appears in the Smart Repeated Item selection menu. The third field is the path to the linked file. In the path, standard ARIS abbreviations are allowed. The third field is read all the way to the end of the line. While non-data link information may be stored in the data links attribute or category, this is not recommended. The external program used to open and view the linked file is defined in one of 2 ways. For each of the data link types, a default program may be explicitly defined by setting an environment variable in the environment defaults file. For example, here the default program used in an image data link is defined by setting the grImage environment variable. In this file, defaults are also set for the Word, Excel, and Web data link types. If an explicit default program is not set, ARIS attempts to use the default program as specified in the computer registry for the file type of the linked file. This works in most cases, although explicitly setting the program in the environment defaults file is more foolproof. The data links feature is more thoroughly documented in the ARIS Encyclopedia. For more information, refer to the Smart Repeated Items and Data Links topics.